In this video, I'll show you how to use the camera control button on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also the Air. So the first thing we need to do is to go into the settings to make sure this is activated. So let me open settings, go down, select camera, and from here I'll select camera control on the top. Make sure that launch camera is the option selected on the top. If not, go ahead, tap on camera. And then you have a few options. For example, do you want to single click or double click to launch the camera app? For some people, they don't want to mispress it, so they absolutely want to double click. In that case, select double click. I'll leave it to single click. Then require screen on. If you want the iPhone to be able to launch the camera using this button, even when the screen is off, well, you need to turn off this option. And then we have controls. Turn this on. Let's go in the camera app simply to demonstrate all the features. So I'll go over here, or I could simply press that button and it will go in the camera app. And once you're in the camera app, if you simply swipe your finger on the button, okay, like this, you'll be able to switch between the different cameras. So over here I have the wide angle one, the ×1, ×2, and even the selfie. If you go all the way over here, now you get the selfie camera. This button can be fully pressed to take a picture, but if you have pressed that button twice, you double click, okay, without pressing completely, you're gonna have access to a few features: cameras, styles, tones, and if you go on the other side, zoom, depth, and also exposure. So let's say I select exposure. Now, simply by swiping, I can change the exposure. Whoops, right now I switched the camera without even wanting. It needs some time to get used to this. All right, you see, exposure. And I can switch it. If I double press slightly, okay, half double press, I can go ahead and instead of exposure, select, let's say, style. And now I can change between different styles simply by swiping, and at any moment I can fully press the button to take a picture. So this is how you use the camera control button on your iPhone 17. If this was helpful, take a moment, leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.